Hi everyone. In this video, we will be learning two Excel function. One is TOROW and other one is TOCOL. So let first and suppose this is my two column, and I want to convert this entire column to row. So simply I will just put to row function and select this column, comma. If I want to avoid any blank spaces, then I will put 1 and close this bracket and press enter, and you can see that my entire column is converted to row. Now suppose I want to convert this entire column again back to uh, column. So what I will simply do is uh, to call select this row, comma 1 to avoid blank spaces, press enter, and you can see my entire row is converted again back to column. So this is about all about the Excel to row and to call function. Thank you.